News. Now it's news time. We should update ourselves with the latest in news to find our place in the contemporary world. So let me invite M. Ramcharan to present before us the international and national news.
Happy morning everyone. My name is M. Ramcharan Reddy. I am from Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am saying international and national news. International news. Russia and US diplomats meet in Istanbul for second round of talks. National news. Indians are deported from US waiting for life to happen. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Let me invite Satvik to present state and sports news.
Happy morning everyone. Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by Satvik from Grade-VIII Topaz. State News. Telangana plans to introduce Health Tourism Policy, says Chief Minister. Sports News. Champions Trophy 2025. Shreyas Iyer grabs his blessing with his two hands. Thank you.
Thought of the day. Good thought is something that we can apply in our daily life to renew ourselves in a better way. Now may I call upon Mayank to share his thought of the day.
Happy morning everyone. I am Mayank of Grade-VIII Topaz, brought to you by Thought of the Day. Thought. Success is not a challenge. Happy morning everyone. I am Mayank of Grade-VIII Topaz, brought to you by Thought. Success is every challenge. No.
New word. Let us make our English easy and charming by the daily new word. It makes us understand our surroundings and help us to explain our emotions and thoughts. Could I call upon Rakesh for the new word?
Happy morning everyone. I am B. Rakesh from Grade-VIII Topaz, brought to you thought. Word. Beast. It means a large wild animal. Please repeat after me. Beast. B-E-A-S-D. Thank you.
General knowledge. Having always tough competitions will no matter how make us stronger and better. Let us scratch our brains to answer the GK questions. Let me invite Karthik to have GK questions.
Happy morning everyone. I am K. Karthik of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am going to ask GK questions. Question for grade 6. What is the cleanest city in India?
Japan is in India. Listen proper.
I will repeat it again. What is the cleanest city in India? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is Indore. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Which is the largest coffee producing state in India? No, you did not pick the correct answer. And the answer is Karnataka. Question for grade 8. What is the Indian's national drink?
Repeat question.
No, I will repeat it again. What is the Indian's national drink? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is tea. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which animal has the highest population in India? No, you did not pick the correct answer. And the answer is fish. Open questions for all. In which country is white lion is found? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is South Africa. Let us appreciate them. In which country the blue apple is found? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is China. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Speech on mathematics. So may I call upon N. Ramcharan to deliver his speech.
Happy morning everyone. I am Ramcharan of Grade-VIII Topaz. I am here to say a short speech on a great mathematician, Bodhyana. Bodhyana was a mathematician from 1800 BCE and he is said to be the original mathematician who found Pythagoras theorem before Pythagoras was born. And when he was used Sulpa Sutras to use math and find answers. Thank you.
Success does not come by itself, it needs motivation and inspiration. Now may I call upon Shaili to deliver her speech.
Happy morning everyone. Myself Shaili, I am from Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am here to tell a short speech on discipline. Discipline is very important in our day-to-day life, whether it is at school or at home. Discipline is key to success. If you want to get success, you must have self-confidence. Discipline involves certain rules and regulations which leads us to the path of success. And discipline is act of rules and regulations which we follow from our childhood till the end of our life. At last, I want to end my speech with a small quotation. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. I repeat it again. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. Thank you.
Thank you SRV family for these opportunities.